Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to enable two-factor authentication with BMO Bank. Two-factor authentication, also known as two-step verification, adds an extra layer of security to your account. This is how you set it up. First, log into your BMO account online. From your account dashboard, navigate to the Security Settings or Profile and Settings section. The exact wording may vary, but you are looking for an area to manage your account security. Once you are in the security settings, look for two-step verification or increase my security. Here, you'll be able to choose how you want to receive your verification codes, which are one-time passcodes used to confirm your identity. BMO typically offers options like receiving a verification code via text message or a phone call to a number you've registered with them. You may also be prompted to set up challenge questions. You can add multiple phone numbers for convenience. Follow the on-screen instructions to register your preferred method and complete the setup. Once enabled, you will be required to enter a verification code in addition to your password when BMO needs to verify your identity, such as when you log in from a new device. That's it. By taking these steps, you are significantly enhancing the security of your BMO account. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.